All right, let's continue from where we stopped. So that's get hours. So we've gotten the hour there. So I can as well make copy and comment, and as well use the get seconds. So let me call it get seconds. So I have get seconds. I have the method there. So let me comment this. Get seconds is already there. So it is going to give us the seconds, number of seconds of so you see, anytime you refresh it, as the seconds keep is getting the current value of the seconds like that. So that's the get seconds method. So we can also, there's also the get months, which gets us the current month that we are in. Get months. So let me change this to get month. So it's going to give us the current months of our dates. So that's third. So just the same way we used it for this day, we can as well use it to pull out the current month that we're in. So we can say months, which is a variable I declared, sorry, an array I declared. So pass that as the index number. It will give you April, so that we are in April. Remember, these things are counted from 0, so an arrays are counted from 0. That makes arrays well, so to say, right, this thing to the right object to use in referencing this month. So that's there are so many methods available, but I think it's not all, but I think it's a good start. Another thing we can do is that we can compare dates. Let me call this, let me comment that out. Let me create another date. Let me say compare dates. So let me create, let date 1, new date. Let me create that my, okay, which is today, and then I'll create another one. I want to use this method so that you guys know that. So I'm using one let to create another date. 2 is new dates as well, but this date is going to be my birthday, which is 2019. Okay, let me put it February 16. Okay, I'm not interested in the time and all that. Terminate with semicolon. So I have two variables here, date 1 and date 2. I want to know today and my birthday, which has passed, which one is greater. So I can say, if, use an if statement, if date 1 date 2 is greater than, okay, I can say, let me make this date 2, then make this date 1. If date 2 is greater than date 1, console.log hey, say birthday passed. Now this, remember, this will run if this is true. So I can add console dot. Okay, let me just type birthday on the way. So let's see what this gives us. So it say birthday has passed. Hey, birthday has passed. This is the one that gets executed because this is true, and you can still run this in, let's say date 2 greater than date 1. So the answer is true. You may be wondering how I'm defining dates here, and then I'm having access to the date variable here. The thing is that I think that's on the session on DOM. Every variable you define here is attached to the Windows object, so you can have access to it here on the browser. Once you load the page, all the variables are loaded, so you can, the same thing you run here by code, you can run it on the console. So that's it. So it gives us true. Now if you do the other way around, if you go the other way around, it gives us false. So this returns false. So let me clear the console and then refresh. So this, we can compare two dates using that method. There are quite a lot. With this you can even write a program. I think maybe I will leave it as an assignment. You write a program that allows people who are booking their flight to, so they specify the dates of their flight, and then your program will tell them the number of days remaining up to that date they have specified. So that's a hands-on assignment you can try out. And then whatever you have, do let me know. If you run into any challenge, do let me know. That will be it for today's tutorial. If you have any question, just let me know on the platform. Thanks for watching.